It's like 9:20 right now. I'm here with Olivia at like a cafe at Yonsei, and she got a latte and I got an Americano.
Normal temperature.
So it's day 2 out of quarantine, and yesterday we just went to like Hyundai and like got a lot of good food. Yeah, just hung out with like the other international students. And today I'm planning on getting some organizational supplies and just like getting everything situated in my room. Currently it's an absolute mess, but trying to like remedy that. So currently on my way to another cafe to meet up with Jessie and Diane, who are both also in the KLI program here at Yonsei. So yeah. Say hi. Yay. Here in Sinchon, this is like what it looks like. Cool. Olivia and I are just in Sinchon, and it's very hot and very humid. And we're just trying to find a department store to get sheets. Yay! Koreans have the weirdest phrases on here. I love it. Exercise or better still sport can change your whole attitude to life. Enjoy travel the world. Next.
Can't touch this.
E-Mart, we just went to Daiso and got a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, you just have to make sure it's single.
Yeah. So I have a bath mat and a trash can, and Olivia has bedding and a trash can over there. An interesting escalator. Guys, the reason it's like that is because you can roll your like cart onto the escalator. After I got back, I just organized everything into these little bins that I got. And then also I got this little jewelry organizer from Daiso, and I just hung up like some of my jewelry. And then ones that I couldn't hang up, I just put right there. Yeah, and this is what my shelves look like now. I'm just about to meet up with some friends at the Han River for dinner, but I thought I'd first just show you what I got from Nature Republic when I went there. I just got like this little eyeshadow. It's like gold, shimmery. Can't really tell. And then 2 face masks, vitamin E and tea tree. And then I got 2 samples, but yeah, that's all. I really like Nature Republic. Very affordable, and their products are pretty high quality. So if you come to Seoul, check it out.
진짜 이쁘다.
To the river, and this is how it looks.
Wow. Hi. Wait, but there's like a whole family over there.
Oh my gosh, there's more. There's so many. Hi.
Is anyone else here? Are you okay? Do you have a home?
Sergio, can you do an American accent?
I